so badly right now.
I feel like leaving now, but it's not in there.
I go for a swim, I weave a boat. I said, if it's raining, I weave a raincoat.
Oh, that's Jenny.
If I go for a fish, I weave me a boat. I'm not Thatcher, no. Thatcher, Thatcher, boys. Not Thatcher by trade. Take me to the islands. I'm a knob. Thatcher, butter. I'm a not Thatcher by trade, weaving coats and boats. I woke up this morning in a woven bed.
I don't remember how we did it.
My pillow is so soft, that's where I lay my woven head. I'm a woven man by trade. My mother was a weaver. My father likes to weave as well. But he wasn't a weaver dreamer. He came from Iwo Jima, a Japanese man that lost his children by another lady. Well, she's singing about that guy is crazy. I'm a weaver by trade. I'm a knob Thatcher, knob Thatcher. Gotta get that flax. Weave me some shit out of flax. I weave some weed out of wax.
That's true. That's
I wax the cat out of woven candles. Nothing makes sense at all. Knob Thatcher. Nothing makes sense to me at all. Knob Thatcher. I'm a weaver, daytime weaver dreamer. My dad was from Iwo Jima, a Japanese man who had a family, but then he lost it. He burnt his family tree. He was shot down. He drowned under a little pussycat that had a belly full of young. That poor guy. That's what everyone's thinking, no Thatcher.
not better. I remember that for years.